The theory of transitivity states that if A trusts B and if B trusts C, then C will trust A. That's what transitivity means. Now, VNet peering is non-transitive. That means that if you establish VNet peering between VNet 1 and VNet 2, and then you also establish another peering between VNet 2 and 3, then VNet peering capabilities do not apply between VNet 1 and VNet 3. However, you can leverage other mechanisms like user-defined routes and service chaining to implement custom routing that will provide transitivity. So if you would like to implement a hub and spoke architecture or overcome the limit on the number of VNet peerings per virtual network, then service chaining is the way to go. You can deploy hub and spoke networks where the hub virtual network can host infrastructure components such as network appliance gateways or VPN gateways. All the spoke virtual networks can then peer with the hub virtual network. Traffic can flow through network virtual appliances or VPN gateways in the hub virtual network.